Hi guys. Okay, so Miss Faiza realized I made a few mistakes in the previous video for page 45 all the way to page 50. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you again. All right. So in case you miss out on anything, you just follow along. Okay. Now over here we want to tick the longer object. So our longer objects are this one and this one. Okay. Same, tick the shorter object, so it is this and this activity. Okay, now tick the longest object. Okay, so there are three. Now we are making a comparison among three ladders. So we pick the longest one. And next, we take the shortest object, which is the tennis racket. Tick the tallest building. So the tallest building, it should be this option over here. Okay, for worksheet 10, all right, you're just supposed to write down the length of the object. So I'll write down, this is 15, this is 12 centimeters, 11 centimeters. Okay, so which object is the longest object? The pen is the longest object. Now, if you only write down the pen, Miss Faiza will also accept it. Now, which object is the shortest? The glue stick is the shortest. Okay, so pardon my handwriting, okay, because I'm not using the iPad for this. Okay, now for number 2, write down the length of each object. Okay, so again, we are using the ruler at the bottom to find out the length of the object. So the flash drive is 5 centimeters, calculator is 12 centimeters, the eraser is 6 centimeters. Now take a look at the eraser. It ends at 9, but hey, take a look at where it starts. It starts at 3. Therefore, 9 minus 3 gives you 6. So that's how we get 6 centimeters. Same thing for the pencil. Okay, it starts at 13. It ends at 13 and it starts at 2. So we need to do a minus 13 minus 2, which gives you 11. So the pencil is 11 centimeters and the key is 4 centimeters. Okay? Now, comparing the length of the object, so which object is the longest? It is the calculator. Okay, and which object is the shortest? It is the key. So how much longer is the calculator than the key? So we need to refer back to find out the length. Calculator is 12 and the key is 4 centimeters. So 12 minus 4 gives you 8. So the calculator is 8 centimeters long. How much shorter is the eraser than the pencil? So the eraser is 6 centimeters while the pencil is 11 centimeters. Okay, so 11 minus 6, it gives you 5. Okay, so the eraser is 5 centimeters shorter than the pencil. How much longer is the pencil than the flash drive? So the pencil is 11 centimeters, the flash drive is 5 centimeters. So we do 11 minus 5, which gives you 6. So the pencil is 6 centimeters longer than the flash drive. So now we're going to arrange the objects from the shortest to the longest. So we have the key as the shortest, followed by the flash drive. And then we have the eraser, pencil, and the calculator as the longest. Okay, again, if I'm going too fast, you can just pause the video and go back to where you missed out. Okay, lastly, page 50. Now, I know I didn't ask you to do page 50, so let's do it together. So compare the length of the object. The length of the highlighter is, so the highlighter starts at 10 it ends at 10 and starts at 4. So 10 minus 4, it gives you 6. So we know the highlighter is 6 centimeters. The stapler, on the other hand, is 9 centimeters. So the stapler is how many centimeters longer than the highlighter? So 9 minus 6, it gives you 3. Therefore, the stapler is 3 centimeters longer than the highlighter.